Hot tips and tricks to improve your game. Golf can be an intimidating sport to take up if you don't know what you're doing, but it isn't impossible to master. There is no denying that there is a certain art to it, but this video discusses that art in the form of tips that you need to know, in order to excel at this very popular game. Stretch before you swing a golf club. When you golf, your body remains stationary during the swing, while you make other movements with your arms, wrist, etc. This is important to know so that you prepare your body for the game through stretching and strength building. Adjusting the choke applied to the club, how high or low the shaft is gripped, is the throttle good golfers use to moderate their shot's distance. Choking down on the club reduces power for shorter, more controlled shots. Choking up releases the full power of the golfer's swing for maximum distance. Because of this, go through some stretches before you tee off, and also stay well hydrated. Your strength, balance, and many other physical factors contribute to your success at golf. A great way to putting some power behind your shot is to keep your body behind the ball before impact. Make sure your right foot is anchored all the way through. Premature lifting of the right foot will take a lot of power out of your shot. You will not get as much distance either. If you are seeking power from your swing, focus on building a strong core and solid legs. Simulate the cracking of a whip while you swing your torso around and push your feet firmly against the ground. The energy for the arched swing begins in the feet and is transferred up through the legs and into your trunk and arms. Now that you have the know-how to become the next great golf pro, playing your 18 holes will be a brand new experience that you can enjoy with the same old friends. Make sure to tee off soon and show everyone your elevated prowess on the green, by making your next hole-in-one. This one secret, dead simple move, is so powerful and easy to learn, you'll start hitting powerful, accurate, flush golf shots in minutes. Visit secretgolfhack.com to learn all of this and more. Ben Hogan's real golf swing secret, that he took to his grave, is finally discovered. And it's unlike anything you've ever seen before. Visit secretgolfhack.com to discover the secret and more. Link in the description.